Hind everyone, my name is Ayush Kumar Pandey. Basically, I prepared for ND examination from SEAL Defense Academy. The branch is Alambaug branch since 2019. So I got the recommendation for CDS because I continuously got the support from SEAL Defense Academy and started my preparation again. I got the recommendation for CDA 157 and now my rank is 111 in IMA. Basically, in this particular section, I want to say one thing to those candidates who are from Hindi background, because up to 12th class, I just got my education in the village level, so that's why I was just involved in Hindi background. But apart from it, when I got the opportunity as well as support from the SEAL Defense Academy, I worked so much upon my communication skill, written skill, as well as on my personality. And now I'm standing in front of you with a smile that I got the finally recommendation. So those candidates who are from Hindi background, the first and foremost important thing for them that they repeat the mistake, that is they underestimate themselves. They think that this is the era of English, and basically in SSB they think that the English is everything. Literally, if I can say that English is so much, it plays a very much important in SSB, but you have so much time to improve it. It's just a language you have listened so many times this the same line. So the thing is that anything which is not bigger than you, if you have decided anything, you are getting good guidance and support from support staffs, absolutely you will qualify it. If I say about my journey of qualifying this, basically I got 6 chances. Basically I got the 7th chance, but one time I did not give my SSB due to COVID-19. Apart from it, one time I was conference out. After it, I was continuously screen out 4 times, but finally I got the recommendation. My SSB, which was in Jalandhar 31st SSB, that was on 22 January on the occasion of Ram Mandir inauguration. So I was basically auspicious with the support of Bhagwan Ramji, and I gave my SSB very well. I got the screening, then on the next day, my interview was there. Interview was just about 35 minutes and there were some basic questions related to family. The 2 main key pillars which played a major role for me in interview, which I got from the interview staff of SEAL Defense Academy, that is confidence and smiley face. I did the same thing. Then on the same day, means on the second day there was the psych test. On that I performed very well. The main thing was that I completed all SRTs, all TAT, all VAT, and I performed well in SD also. Next day there was interview, I did well, and for next day, 3rd and 4th day, that was for my GTO task, half. So I played very well in that with the confidence and with the knowledge which I accumulated with my study. And on the final day, means on 26th January, that is our Republic Day. That's why we were also with a smiley face and courage also. On that, my conference was there and I got the final recommendation there with a very short conference. So that was damn sure that I'll be 100% sure that I'll pass it and I'll do good in other tasks also. Thank you.